Welcome to another episode of Bluff City Grub. Today we're going to be cooking a man-sized burger for you. Joe, it's going down. He doesn't know what he's in for. He wants to know how I'm going to flip my burger. Man-sized spatula. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is add our bacon. We're going to cut this ridge off here and use this to put into our burger. We're going to chop this up. Okay, so now we're going to lay out our bacon and get it ready for the brown sugar that we're going to apply to it shortly. Now what we're going to do is apply about 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar to a full pack of bacon here and spread it evenly throughout. Next, you need a wire rack. And then place your bacon on the rack as evenly distributed as possible. Then we're going to apply a little bit of liquid smoke. So I add some smoky flavor to the bacon. Let that roast off for about 25 minutes. It's going to turn out really good. Boom. Okay, so now what we're going to do is make our roasted garlic aioli. So we take some garlic cloves, a little bit of olive oil, and we mix that up with some pepper and salt if you like. We're going to roast that off in the oven as well. 375 should do it, 25 minutes. We got some parsley, fresh parsley. We're going to chop it up here. And so now we need a bowl and about a cup of mayonnaise, roasted garlic cloves, gochujang, chili paste, and also some fresh lemon juice, jalapeno, delicious, and the fresh parsley we just chopped. Man, salt and pepper mix. I like it. Gonna throw this in a mini food processor. You have a big one, it's okay. Blend that up really well. Boom. Okay, so now we have all of our ingredients laid out for bullet time. We got some candied bacon, a little bit of ground chuck. We also have fresh parsley, roasted garlic aioli. We also have the bacon that we chopped up earlier that we're going to put into our burger. Then we have Coby Jack Cheese, and we have our dry ingredients, an Italian round loaf from a local grocery, and then we also have our most important ingredient, which is Bulleit Bourbon. I don't think Joe knows what he's in for. Okay, now, so we're going to take a little bit of that ground chuck and add that bacon to it. Then we're going to also season our ground beef and add all of our dry ingredients in there, as well as our fresh parsley. All right, now we're going to mix it up and add the bourbon. Lots of bourbon. Get it, Greg. I think we need a little bit more bourbon. All right, so we want to mix that up really well. Put it onto a plate. We're going to form it into a patty. All right, now it's about time to get that grill ready. We're going to do an indirect cook on here. We're going to sear it. Then we're going to put it over on the cold side and let it roast off. Coals are about ready. Grate on. Let that grate come up to temp. All right, let's get that patty on. Yeah. A little brown sugar on top while it's cooking. Remember, we're going for a nice hard sear. Man-sized spatula to flip it. Boom. Sure, it's moved off to the side for indirect cooking. About 25 minutes, 30 minutes, it should be done. Oh, look at that thing. It looks beautiful. All right, so now it's time to get that bun ready. We're gonna make some garlic butter here. A bit of butter in a bowl. Garlic powder, and mix that up real good. Fresh parsley, delicious. We're just gonna baste the bun in this. We're gonna get this thing on the grill. Oh yeah. Check them real quick and make sure they're not burning. Get nice and toasty. Go ahead and get these things off. They're looking good. All right, Coby Jack cheese on. We'll put some bacon on here. Candied bacon. And we're gonna let this cheese and bacon melt all over the top and get some ooey gooey goodness. Look at that thing. Bullet time, baby. Get this thing off the grill. All right, so now it's time to build that burger. We're gonna take that roasted garlic aioli and slather that bun, butter it up real nice. Take some lettuce, red leaf, I like the color. Put that burger on there. Man, that thing looks good. Fresh onion. Put that bun on there. So now what we're going to do is actually make a special butter for the bun. A little bit of butter, brown sugar, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire, mix that up, and just pour it all over the top of that burger. Oh yeah. And I give you bullet time. Eat your heart out, Joe. Beautiful. Thanks for watching our video. As always, the recipe will be in the link in the description of the video, and we will have more fantastic videos coming out soon. Thanks.